Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix WhatsApp call unavailable problem. Let's get started. So if you are facing this problem where your WhatsApp calls are not visible in call logs in your WhatsApp application, then what you can do is just simply open up your settings and then check some of the features. So just simply open up your settings, and after opening up your settings now you can just search for apps, and inside your apps you have to search for WhatsApp. So after searching for WhatsApp, now what you can do is just simply tap on this option which is permissions. After tapping on permissions, now you have to check all the options and make sure they are allowed. So if they are not allowed, what you can do is just simply allow them, and mainly few of those options that you have to allow is call logs. So if your call logs are not allowed, you have to allow their call logs, your phone, your SMS and your microphone. So just make sure that you allow all these features, and after doing that, now what you can do is simply tap on advanced, and after tapping on advanced, now what you can do is just simply scroll down and then tap on app details. After tapping on app details, now it will take you to the Play Store, and now what you can do is just check if your app has the update. So if your WhatsApp application has an update, then what you can do is just simply update your WhatsApp application. So because you have an outdated version of WhatsApp, you might face this kind of problem, and by updating your WhatsApp, you will fix your problem. So after doing all this, you have to check if you have fixed your problem. But if this does not fix your problem, then what you have to do is just simply open up your WhatsApp. After opening up your WhatsApp, in the top right corner of your screen, you can find this three dotted icon. So just tap on it and then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, now just scroll down and here you can find help. Just tap on it and then tap on help center. After tapping on help center, just tap on video and voice calls. Then tap on voice calls. After tapping on voice calls, now what you can do is just simply tap on this option which is support, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. After tapping on support, now what you can do is just simply type in the problem that you are facing. So in our case, what we are facing is we are facing WhatsApp calls unavailable problem. So what you can do is just simply type in the message that I am having issues with my WhatsApp calls being unavailable. Please help me fix this problem. So just simply type in your problem. So after typing in your problem, what you can do is just simply tap on next. And after tapping on next, now if you will type on send my question to WhatsApp support, which is on the bottom of your screen. And after tapping on that option, your question will be sent. So now what you can do is here you can see WhatsApp had sent you a message by thanking you and by giving you a number. So you will receive a following number and they will review your issue and will respond as soon as possible. So you can check what you have written in the following message, and you can also see WhatsApp has sent you another message by saying thank you for reaching out or calling support. Please visit our help center calling page to find out more up-to-date answers to common call questions, and you will find a note. So what you can do is just simply read these following messages, and you just have to wait for a while and WhatsApp will try to fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's it guys, this is how to fix WhatsApp call unavailable problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.